To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today I am taking your models. In the topic models, I am taking your two models, would and should. Where is would used? As I have already told you, there is no effect of any subject on these models. With singular, with plural, with both the subjects we may use would and should. Means number, it is not affected by the number of the subject. Now I am taking your would. Would, actually there is a formula of would. UPP. To recall in mind, the abbreviation UPP can be kept safe as it is Uttar Pradesh Police. But here we have to know U for unreal condition, P for polite request, and P for past tense of will. Now I am taking your first U for unreal condition. In unreal condition, if I say would that I were the PM of India, actually I am not PM of India, but it is unreal. But the condition is being imposed, would that I were the PM of India. Would that I were a bird. Would that I were a monkey. After this there will be sign of apostrophe. And we all have to know, in this unreal condition we have to use would. And second one is polite request. When we make request to anyone, then we have to ask using would. Would you like to take a cup of tea? Would you help me in this matter? As I am using would, there is a question mark in the end of sentence. It means it is a humble request, polite request. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? So like this, we all have to know this is polite request. And next one, that is past tense of will. Will, present tense, would, past tense. He said that he would play hockey. She said that she would go to Agra the next day. Means past tense of will. Actually, this is your model would. Second one, that is should. In should there is also a formula, that is loads. LOADS. Power 2 means S power 2, double S. L for lest, O for obligation, A for advice, T for duty, S for suggestion, S for supposition. It means we have to learn this formula load. Load means weight. But we must know separately the words beginning with LOADSS. L for lest, where there is use of lest will be use of should. Work hard lest you should fail. Run fast lest you should miss the train. Means with less we are bringing should. It is to be known lest is associated with modal should. O for obligation. If someone has helped me, I should help him. So we should pay our debts. We should help others who have helped us. It's obligation. A for advice. You should work hard to secure very good marks in the examination. You should quit drinking liquor. Advice. Next is duty. Duty starts with us. We should get up early in the morning. We should work hard to get very good marks in the examination. It's our duty. We should pay respect, regard to our parents. It's our duty. Next is suggestion. You should walk slowly on the slippery ground. You should not go out early in the morning in the winter season. Suggestion. Supposition means the sentence is started with should. Should you go to market? Bring a pen for me. Should you go to the residence of my friend? Convey my message to him. It is supposition. Dear students, I have taken your two models, would and should. I think you have understood. It's very clear, and you listen this video twice or thrice to understand it clearly. Thank you very much.